Why won't I take your case if I don't believe in you? You want to know why? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney, and it is a beautiful day today here in Great Neck. So the answer is, I won't take your case if I don't believe in you, because credibility is everything in a medical malpractice case, in an accident case, even in a wrongful death case. Your credibility is everything. Remember, you are the injured victim. You are the one bringing the lawsuit, seeking compensation, seeking money as a form of compensation for all the harms and losses and injuries that you suffered. If I have a problem with your credibility, with your believability, then I guarantee you a jury at the end of 2 or 3 years of litigation, now when your case goes to trial, I guarantee you that a jury will also have a problem with your credibility. Knowing full well that there's a problem with your credibility, I'm not willing to take the risk to prosecute your case, knowing at the very end that there's a very good likelihood that the jury is going to recognize that there's a credibility problem. And you know something? At the very end of your trial, the judge is going to give the jury a very specific instruction having to do with credibility. It's called falsus in uno. That's a fancy legal term which basically says, if you believe a witness has testified falsely about one thing, you have every right to disregard some or all of their testimony. And that could be devastating. That could destroy your case. So why do I bring this up with you? I bring this up with you because there are instances where a patient will come into the office, or an injured victim will come to the office and tell me a story, and something about it doesn't ring true. There's something about it that has a credibility problem. And you know what I say? I'm sorry, this doesn't sound like the right case for me. That doesn't mean you don't have a valid basis for a case. It simply means that I won't be the one to help you through your litigation process. You know, I understand you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but have questions that need to be answered first, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.